Is your Kia Sorento key fob from 2011 to 2013 models not working or failing to open the car? The most common fix is a dead battery. These key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, locate the small slot or seam on the back of the fob. Use a small, flat screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, which is recommended to avoid scratches, to gently pry the case open. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Inside, you'll see the battery. Remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from about 10 to 15 feet away from your car. It should now lock and unlock your doors and activate the panic button. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. If the case is difficult to open, it might be sealed with adhesive. Apply gentle heat from a hairdryer to soften the glue before prying. If the remote still doesn't work after a battery replacement, ensure the battery contacts are clean and the battery is correctly aligned. A quick reset sometimes helps. Try holding the unlock button for 10 seconds. Avoid using cheap, generic batteries, as they can cause intermittent issues. If problems persist, the internal circuitry might be damaged, requiring professional reprogramming at a Kia dealership, costing $50 to $150. Wear gloves to avoid oil transfer to the new battery. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly. This simple fix can save you time and money compared to professional services. If you find that your key fob is still not working, it may need to be reprogrammed.